So in this section of Unit 3, we are going to discuss about the human nature and some of Indian perspectives, how we have to basic about human nature and its thinking. The first important thing is removal of faulty knowledge. So the first concept of human nature is we need to remove of wrong knowledge among the peoples, because the human existence must have a great purpose. So if we get a life once in our period, we have to achieve something to the society. So many of the problems that we face in life are due to faulty ways of thinking and understanding the world. The problem of the human being is they are not approaching the world in a positive way. Instead of that, they are thinking in a faulty or a negative way to approach the world. That is why they are facing lots of problem to understand the human nature. To continue to that, there is some of the schools of Indian thoughts based on three things. One is Vedantic school, Jainist and Buddhist school, and Sufi principle based school of thoughts. So in that, the Vedantic view of human nature is one can able to self-realization about oneself. That is nothing but the reality is the existence of Vedantic view. One can able to understand the nature of self, who we are, and the nature of reality as a whole. We have to accept the existence of the world. That is nothing but reality. See, Vedantic view is derived from the Upanishads. The Brahma is the creator of existence, awareness, and happiness. So everything, how we have to believe the concept of Vedanta is an important school of thought. To continue to that, the second one is the Jain perspectives school of thought. So in that, they strongly believe of Jiva. Jiva is nothing but a spirit or a soul. Every living being has its own. The world is made up of two kinds of reality. They are believe in two kinds. First one is the living things and non-living things. And also, with respect of Jain principle, we have to give respect for the opinion of others. And they believe soul is an infinite potential within an individual. So, if we are thinking in a positive way, then it will be happening in a positive actions. Then only we are cross over the obstacles of the world. And second important point of Jainist principle, they believe karma. The family we are born is depends on our past karma. So to overcome the karma, we have to do three things, such as the right thought, the right speech, and the right action. Then only we have to overcome the karma and to attain the God. The third important school of thought is the Buddhist view. The Buddhist view is based on four noble truths, such as a right to speech, right to action, right of mindfulness, and wisdom. So these four noble truths to lead a human being to realize the importance of the creation of the human being and what one can do for the society as a good, and how it can be transformed to the social well-being of every human being. So that is the basic concept of noble truths which was given by Buddhist view. And finally, the longest school of thought is Sufi. So it is nothing but how one can realize the God. So it is based on the spiritual or the inner aspects of the Islam. Progress towards self-realization is the real purpose of the existence of a life of a human being. For that, one can able to follow and learn from teachers and get knowledge from the teachers, and to realize the divine spark of the spirituality and the nature. Thank you.